Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, guys. So this video it's gonna be very interesting video and stick till the end because this is a Bitcoin price prediction video. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host, and today we have a huge news coming from United States. The President Trump has made significant a bold statement about crypto. So and the crypto regulation as well. So we talk about exactly what he said and how it gonna affect the market. And then I'll give you my 15 minute of a Bitcoin price prediction based on live charts and the market data. So let's start the video, and also in the description or in the chat, I'm gonna put paste this free link for the my newsletter that you can every if you subscribe to the newsletter it's free, and you'll get one free predictions every day. You just need to subscribe. So today's topic is hot about Bitcoin only, and you can watch my other videos because I already given prediction on top 10 crypto predictions. Okay, let's start, guys. So we talk about exactly what he said and how it's going to affect the market. Then I'll give you my 15 pretty evidence. So stay with me, and this is going to be an important crypto update that could impact your next trade. And all right, let's start with the big headline. According to the latest news, White House, uh, Trump has officially announced a plan to make a United States a global hub for the Bitcoin and digital assets. So Trump, he talked about a new idea that called a strategic Bitcoin reserve. Basically, the Trump it's new idea which is called strategic Bitcoin reserve. Basically, the government will hold a Bitcoin the same way they hold a gold as a part of a national reserve. And Trump said, I'm quoting here, American must lead the digital financial revolution and not follow us. That's a big shift from how US leaders talk about crypto just a few years ago. Even a Vice President J.D. Vance said crypto finally has champion in the White House. So what does it mean for the investors? It means we could see more regulatory clarity and a friendlier law for the crypto business, and possibly institutional money flowing back into the Bitcoin. So if you remember the last time the US government have positive crypto signals, the BTC jumped by more than 10% in a week. And so yeah, this is a kind of political support matters. Like now let's look at the Bitcoin chart. And here you can show your live chart on screen. And right now, the BTC is trading around I will say 106K. And this EMA line is currently at dollar 100K is 70. Let me just pull the chart with my tab, because a huge statement from the Donald Trump is still going on the White House. So let me pull up some Bitcoin preparation for November. I'll just little bit twist on this. So it help you because as soon as the Bitcoin goes up, your other crypto coins, the altcoin also go up. That's how it is. So first, let's see the state right now and Bitcoin. I won't be shocked because as you see, the Bitcoin has gone down, and I checked the current price is down by 1.49% already. So, and which is not the good sign, but but once there is a bull run and the price might go to 150K to 200K, that's the most of analytics has been predicting it. So right now it's trading around 106K with $9. That's the crypto market is buzzing again with the Trump new crypto push in the US. And while we talk about what's happening, what experts are predicting, and what I personally think about happened in the end of October 2025. So stay till the end and I'll got your bonus insight you don't want to miss, guys. Hello, Lazy Gaming. Okay, let's start with what's driving hype. President Donald Trump is now opening supporting crypto and Bitcoin development in America. And he recently talked about creating some called a strategic Bitcoin reserve. I like a digital gold reserve in the US. So this is like a massive because it means the US government could start holding Bitcoin as a part of financial system. Even the Vice President J.D. Vance said that crypto is finally has a champion in the White House. That means when when the world leaders back the Bitcoin, it builds the confidence. Big investors, institutions, and funds start looking at the BTC again. That's one of the big reason Bitcoin is holding strong above 100K mark right now. All right, let's talk about the numbers. Bitcoin right now is around 106K. It's a figure round figure. In the past few days, uh, hello lazy gaming. In the past few days, it's moved from between 103K to 109K, and that's still volatile, I will say. And in a 15-minute chart shows the price holding about 21 EMA line, which is good sign for short-term traders to invest in Bitcoin. And RSI is around 54. Mean it's not overbought or oversold, and the market balance waiting for the next big move. If BTC breaks above 109K, we could see a quick run to 112K easily. But if it drops below 104K, we might see short pullback around 100K to 101K. Okay, here is my Bitcoin prediction for November 2025. And okay, let's break it down into three simple scenarios. All right. So if the Trump crypto policy continues and ETF inflows increase, Bitcoin could climb up to 130K to 140K this month. That means I'm talking about November, right? And I'm talking about November, right? So in a neutral case, and if the market stays stable, no big bad news, no huge pump, or I see BTC holding between 115K to 125K. And a bearish case, if the US issues strict new crypto regulation tax, Bitcoin could drop back to $95,000 to 100K range. So my personal view, I think it's gonna be a base target, which is 125K at the end of the November, which upside potential to 135K. And if we get positive US news, it can go up. That's how it is. Now listen, Bitcoin doesn't move in a straight line. Here's what can change everything fast. First, I think a sudden SEC announcement or new tax policies can change the price. Maybe a big liquidation or will move on exchange. And also the global financial stock or stronger a US dollar. So always use a stop loss and don't go all in with the one price level. So watch 104K and 109K zone and they will decide the next big move. So my bonus tip, guys, So here's a bonus tip for you guys and keep checking Bitcoin dominance this month. And if the BTC dominance ranges above 55%, it usually means the big money is entering. Usually Bitcoin first before altcoin pump. That's often a sign of incoming rally, I will say. So, so sum it up. Bitcoin is around 106K. All right. Uh, my November 2025 target is 125K to 135K. So that's my target, is what I see. Yeah, so it will be between in November, the Bitcoin price will hit 125K to 135K. If things stay bully, that's the deal. If things stay bully. So friends, what's your prediction? Type it in the chat. Up, down, whatever it is, let me know and hit the button if you found you this lifetime useful. And as I said, definitely Bitcoin in the November gonna hit 125K to 135K. That's the, if this stays bullish, because it's strong news that is made this buzz around, which I think because now they are supporting Bitcoin and crypto development in America, and we recently talk about creating something called a strategic bull Bitcoin reserve, and it's like a digital gold and reserve for the US. Because this is massive, because it means the US government could start holding a Bitcoin as a part of its financial system. For the Vice President JD Venice even said that crypto is finally had its champion in the White House, and when its leader back the Bitcoin, it builds confidence, and big investors, institutions and fund start looking at BTC again. That's one of the reason why Bitcoin is holding strong above 100K mark. And Bitcoin is right now is around 106K, and in the past few days it's moved between 103 to 109K. So there is still volatility in the market. And if you see the 50-minute chart, above price holding about 21 EMA line, which is a good sign for short-term traders. Yeah, RSI is 54. Means it's not overbought or oversold, and the market is balanced. Yeah, that's how it is. I think if the BTC breaks 109K, we could see the quick run from 112K. But if it drops below 104, might see its pullback around 100K to 101K. That's how it is gonna be. Yeah.